hot here in Minnesota. We got the fans running. Working on another work truck here. This is, of course, the Ford Transit. Either come with 3.5s or 3.7s. There you go. Tell you a little bit about that guy. And was reading in the news just this past week that the Chevy Express van is going to change the chassis for the first time after this coming model year since I think it's 1998. 98. So that got us thinking a little bit about when was the last E-Series or the Econoline that you could get normally. I think it was 2014 or 2015. And then they switched over to these Transits, big giant unibodies. And they're stout, they're robust, I'll give you that. But how wild is that the Chevy van, frame on body, hasn't changed the chassis. Yes, I'm sure it's upgraded, differentials, front suspension, whatever. Engines went from, your standard Vortex 350s, and then in or big blocks. Then it was 02, they went to LS. And 4.8s or 6.0s, stuff like that. But this is pretty wild that Chevy is finally making that change. So just thinking about that here, working on this Ford here. Oil change, tire rotation. The little bit newer models, this is what did it say, 21 or 22? 21. The newer models actually use 12 quarts of oil. That's why we go through and mark, so we don't mix that up. Plus, you can look it up and you can tell when you dump out 12 quarts of oil in a 6-quart pan, right away you go, okay, something's going on. But just thinking about how the Chevy have kept the same forever, and then Ford kind of switched over to these. And so never forget, Minnesota is hot. Gross.